Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove Microsoft Teams from your system tray. Now, system tray is basically this icon. If you click on it, it's gonna open the hidden icons tray. This is basically the system tray. Here, you can see Microsoft Teams. Now, even if you don't use Microsoft Teams, you might see this icon here. Now, to get rid of it, what you can do is just right-click on it and click on Quit Teams. And as you can see, the icon has disappeared. But this is just a temporary solution. It will come back once you restart your PC. And if you don't want your Microsoft Teams to auto startup and come back to your system tray, what you have to do is turn off its startup abilities. To do that, what you have to do is just go to search and search for Task Manager. From the best matches, just open up Task Manager. Then from here, just expand it using the navigation or hamburger menu. From here, just go inside Startup Apps. From here, you can change the status of everything from here. Then just find Microsoft Teams. Now just right-click on it and click Disable. If it's set to Enable, just right-click on it and click on Disable. This will disable Microsoft Teams' ability to turn on startup. And that's basically it. And that is how to remove Microsoft Teams from your system tray. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.